However great the crisis may be, courage has taught me that a good investment will eventually yield good returns, says Carlos Slim Hellu, who is a world-renowned businessman. This means if you invest wisely, even in bad times, you will definitely reap the benefits. The world today is caught up in the midst of rising inflation. The condition of the stock markets look grim. The fate of Bitcoin doesn't look bright. On the other hand, real estate sector is reviving. In such a scenario, how beneficial is investing in real estate? We will examine it here. There are certain precautions to be taken while investing in real estate. It is important to note two things here. First, capital appreciation, that is, at what rate will the price of your property will increase. The second is rental yield, that is, if you put your property on rent, then how much income will be generated from it. Land prices are increasing across the country. According to reports, property prices have jumped by 30 to 40% since 2019. Because of lack of funds or because big developers have bought large pieces of land from those companies against whom cases have been registered with the NCLT. The lands are being bought directly from the farmers who are not in any kind of crisis. So they are demanding higher money for their land. Besides, robust demand due to lower interest rate on loans, rise in salaries and willingness to own a house has led to an increase in prices of residential plots in major cities. Builders have already increased the prices of houses by 10%. The report of real estate firm Magic Bricks shows that in the quarter ended March 2022, house rents increased by 4% on a quarterly basis. With the resumption of work from office, the rental housing market is showing improvement. In the first quarter of 2022, the search for rented houses has increased by 15.8%, while the supply of rented houses has increased by 30.7%. Tanveer Alam, founder and CEO of wealth management firm Fincart, says that you should set out your goal before investing. Buying a house to live in is fine, but from investing point of view, it will not be very beneficial. In the long term, real estate has given an average return of 8%, while stock market or mutual funds have given return of 12%. Rental yield in real estate ranges from 1 to 3%. You get a lot of liquidity in financial assets, whereas in real estate it is not so. You cannot sell the property immediately during financial emergency. Alam says that land purchase can be beneficial. However, invest from a long-term perspective. In cities which are developing, which are witnessing settling up of new population, if you purchase land in such cities, then you can make money. For example, right now people are buying land in Jewar, which is adjacent to Noida, because the airport work is going on. The population is going to settle there. If the city is developing and you think that you can make money, then you can invest there at the right time.